Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will explain the concept of molarity, which is used in case of solutions in laboratory. What is molarity? How we can calculate molarity? How we can prepare the molar solutions? This is our main concept. Molarity is very simple concept in analytical chemistry. How many moles of solute dissolve in 1 dm cube of solution is called molarity. If we dissolve 1 mole of solute in 1 dm cube or 1 liter of solution, this will be 1 molar. If we dissolve 0.1 mole, then it will be 0.1 molar. So molarity is, this is the concept of molarity. The number of moles of solute dissolved per dm cube of solution is called molarity, and mathematically we can write it molarity is equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in dm cube. Volume of solution in dm cube. So these are the main two conditions. Number of moles of solute should be present and volume should be given in dm cube. If mass of solute is given, we will convert into moles. If volume of solution is given in cm cube, we will convert into dm cube. For example, the question is calculate molarity A part 1.5 moles of KClO3 dissolved in 250 cm cube of solution. 250 cm cube solution. In this question, moles of solute are given, but volume is given in cm cube. So first of all, we will convert the volume into dm cube, then we will put the values in this formula. So number of moles are 1.5. Volume of solution, it is equal to 250 cm cube, which will be equal to 250 divided by 1000, 0.25 dm cube. Then we will put these values into this formula to calculate the molarity. Number of moles 1.5 divided by, so molarity will be equal to 1.5 divided by 0.25. This will be the answer. In second question, B part, 75 gram of KClO3 in 1.25 dm cube solution. In this question, volume is given in dm cube, this is correct, but moles are not given. Mass of solute is given. So first of all, we will convert this mass into moles. Number of moles of KClO3, we know that the basic formula is mass over molar mass. 75 is the mass, molar mass of KClO3 is 122.5. So first of all, we will calculate the number of moles. Then we will put this value moles divided by volume of solution in dm cube. So the main concept is, if the mass of solute is given or moles of solute are given, volume of solution given in cm cube or dm cube, we can calculate the molarity. If mass is given, we will calculate the moles, then put the value. If volume is given in cm cube, we will convert into dm cube, because we know that 1 dm cube is equal to 1000 cm cube. By using these concepts, we can calculate the molarity. From this formula, we can calculate the number of moles. Molarity multiply with volume of solution is equal to number of moles of solute. If molarity is given in the numerical and volume of solution is also given, which should be in dm cube, we can calculate the number of moles. For example, I have the solution of 3.5 molar (700 cm cube) solution. 3.5 molar 700 cm cube of solution is available. We want to calculate the number of moles. We need only molarity and volume in dm cube. Molar mean molarity. In numericals, molarity is given in mole per dm cube, because we can write the data from the units. The unit of molarity is mole per dm cube or molar. And we will convert the volume of solution. Volume of solution is equal to 700 divided by 1000. It is equal to 0.7 dm cube. After this, I can calculate the number of moles. Number of moles is equal to 3.5 is the molarity, 0.7 is the volume. So number of moles can be calculated by using this formula. This is the application of concept of molarity. If we want to calculate the volume, moles are given, molarity is given, we can also use this formula. Volume of solution is equal to number of moles of solute divided by molarity. So from this formula, we can calculate molarity by using this direct formula. We can calculate the number of moles by using formula molarity into volume of solution. And if we calculate the volume of solution, we will use the formula number of moles of solute divided by molarity. For example, if the number of moles of solute are 4.5 and molarity of solution is 0.1, simply we will put the values in this equation. Volume of solution is equal to number of moles of solute divided by molarity. Now, my second part is how molar solution can be prepared. How we can prepare the molar solutions. In order to prepare the solution, we need the amount of solute in grams and we need the volumetric flask. We should know that how much volume of solution is given. In order to explain the preparation of solution, I will take the one example. Preparation of 500 cm cube of 0.2 molar KMnO4 solution. How we can prepare 500 cm cube of 0.2 molar KMnO4 solution? This is a very important numerical in solutions, and I will explain in very simple way. First of all, convert the volume of solution in dm cube. 500 divided by 1000, 0.5 dm cube. This is the volume of solution. First step. Second step is calculate the number of moles of solute. Number of moles is equal to volume into molarity. I have already explained this formula. So volume is equal to 0.5, molarity is 0.2. This will be equal to 0.1 moles, or simply you can calculate by multiplying this. After calculation of moles, calculate the mass of solute. Mass of KMnO4, we know that 0.1 into molar mass, 158 is the molar mass of KMnO4. This will be equal to 15.8 gram. This is our main value for preparation of solution. Now what we will done? We will take this 15.8 gram of KMnO4 in a beaker. This is the 15.5, and then we will add some water in order to dissolve it. We will use the stirrer. When it will become dissolved, we will shift this into the volumetric flask. This is the volumetric flask, and we will take the volumetric flask of 500 cm cube. We will shift this solution into this volumetric flask, and we will fill up to this mark. This will be solution of KMnO4 500 cm cube volumetric flask, and its molarity will be 0.2. So we will write the 4 points. Weigh out 15.8 gram of KMnO4, add this into the beaker and add small amount of water it to dissolve it. Then shift into the 500 cm cube volumetric flask and add small amount of water to make the volume up to this mark. This will be the 0.2 molar 500 cm cube of KMnO4 solution. So this is the very simple way. If any question is given, first of all convert volume into dm cube, then calculate the moles by using formula, molarity into volume, then calculate the mass, and after this is the experimental work. Thank you very much.